In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Google Calendar to Notion. To get started, open Notion and go to your Getting Started page. This is simply a convenient place to begin, but these same settings apply no matter which page you are viewing. Once Notion is open, look to the left sidebar where your workspaces and spaces appear. Click on your workspace or space name to make sure you are working in the correct area. If you have multiple spaces, take a moment to choose the one where you want your calendar connection to live, since that helps keep your integrations organized. Next, open your settings. In Notion, settings are where you manage account connections and integrations, including calendar services. After you click into settings, scan the list of options until you find Mail and Calendar. This section is specifically designed for connecting email and calendar providers so Notion can work alongside the tools you already use. Inside Mail and Calendar, look for the option to add a calendar. Click Add Calendar to begin the connection process. Notion will then present you with sign-in options, and for Google Calendar, you will choose Continue with Google. When you select that option, a Google sign-in window will appear, so you can authorize Notion to access your calendar. At this point, follow the Google prompts on screen. Make sure you select the correct Google account if you use more than one. Then review the permissions request carefully, since this is where Google explains what Notion will be allowed to do with your calendar connection. Once you confirm and continue, Notion will finish linking your Google Calendar. After the connection is complete, return to Notion and give it a moment to load. If you do not see the calendar right away, stay in the Mail and Calendar area and wait briefly, since integrations sometimes take a few seconds to finalize. You have now successfully added Google Calendar to Notion, which makes it easier to keep your schedule and your workspace aligned. And that is all there is to it.